Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled radish and carrots. First, gather your fresh radishes and carrots, ensuring they are thoroughly washed. You'll want to slice them thinly, either into rounds or matchsticks, depending on your preference. This quick pickling method is perfect for adding a vibrant, zesty crunch to sandwiches, tacos, or as a side dish. For the brine, you'll need 1 cup of water and 1 cup of white vinegar. To this, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. These proportions create a balanced sweet and sour profile. Feel free to customize with aromatics like a few cloves of garlic or a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Now let's make the brine. In a small saucepan, combine the water, white vinegar, sugar, and salt. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. This ensures a smooth, consistent flavor throughout your pickled vegetables. Once dissolved, remove the brine from the heat. Carefully pack your sliced radishes and carrots into a clean, heat-proof jar. Then, pour the hot brine over the vegetables, ensuring they are fully submerged. Let the jar cool to room temperature before sealing it and transferring it to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, allow them to pickle for at least 24 hours. They will keep well for several weeks. Also, be sure to check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.